All right, so did a nice little job here. This is just the basement carpet here, and they actually only want done up to the post over there. And so we've got, just look at what we're looking at before, got some little bit of dirt down here by the stairs, just the typical walkway to the back. Otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. Over here by the desk, we have some more dirt around the mat that was here, and a spot here. He said this was paint, so I'm gonna try and get that out. There's a couple little food spots over here. We'll see if that comes out with the pre-spray, and before we take that on with anything special. But all in all, nice, easy little project here. Arlington Heights carpet cleaning. And if you're looking for your basement to get a fresh look, this could be a nice, easy option for you. So I'm gonna get going with the hot water extraction now. I've already pre-sprayed, and I'm actually gonna do a little, before I do that, I'm just gonna do a little bit of agitation and just see if I can do anything with this. Turned out really well, really happy with it. And you can see how clean it is. So if you're interested in getting something done like this, just give me a call. Classic Touch Floor Care. Call Jason, 847-513-3501.